time. Hopefully that's one of the best pictures you'll ever get at the bridge.
Alright.